Hey guys, welcome inside today's new video. So if you guys know, today is Mother's Day. So last year and the year after that, I write my mom a card. I'm going to do that. So we're going to do that. You could grab a piece of paper and a marker and you can just write down your letter and you just fold it to like an envelope. So before anything, I'm gonna fold this and then I'm gonna write on this. So just give me a minute. So your paper looks exactly like that and you just put whatever on this. So you put like Happy Mother's Day and then you put like this for like the envelope for before you open it, and you just draw it to make it look like an envelope. So I'm going to wait until she's up and ready, and I'm gonna give this to her, and then I'm gonna film it. So yes, like,
Aww.
Oh, that was my Mother's Day like card thing of like writing it. So now what I'm doing is that I'm going to like follow a YouTube video and like doing like a Mother's Day drawing. And I found one. It's like a bunch of pots and the pots say mom and it has flowers and it's like colorful. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, so progress here. I think it's been like 10 minutes. But maybe not 10 minutes, but whatever. Last time I already did it and I messed it up because the lines, they weren't straight. But here's what I have so far. And you're probably thinking, what is that? Like, what's the U? Okay, so that's supposed to be the flower. So you draw the U and I'm gonna try to fix it because you don't really see it that well. And I'm gonna fix it and I'll get back to you guys. You can see I have done it. There's the flowers and then like the leaf. And then just like that, and then I'm gonna draw the mom because it's spelled M-O-M on the different ones, so that's why. So here it is. I drew it, so all I have to do is just to color it in. So we'll see how that is. Also, these are the colors or markers I will be using to color this in. Okay, so I am back, and this is what it looks like. Very nice. And the reason why it is blue is because that's all I had. I think it was brown, but I didn't have brown. I thought I had brown, but apparently I didn't. I don't know where it's at. I don't know where all my markers are at, but I only have this, and that's what it looks like. So I am going to find another one and I'm going to draw that as well. Okay, so I am done with my little thing. It says best mom. I couldn't fit the M inside that space, so that's what I have. I did drew flowers, but it didn't really go well, so I just like colored it in. But if you guys want me to do like more art videos, I have another channel that I vlog on, and I might do my art videos on there. But let me know down below if I should do that or not. But I hope you guys have a good Mother's Day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.